This video is an introduction to Figma and the Figma community. So, Figma is a web application that we use to design screens for our apps, websites, and any other digital screens. Though there are many other design applications like Adobe XD, Sketch, etc., Figma is widely used by designers around the world and offers flexibility in many aspects. So this is how you download Figma to your desktop, or you can also use a web version. Right now I'm using the web version. All you have to do is go to your Google search bar and type in Figma. The first link here is official Figma website, and you can open it and follow the rest of the steps. It's pretty easy to do that. So the moment you do that, you will be finding a blank design file like this. We will be learning about this design file later, but let's just go back to the files. So by default, when you go to the files, you will be finding these three files, the FigJam Basics, Figma Basics, and the Team Library, which is a walkthrough of these three applications here. And now here you have the add design file and add FigJam board, which allows you to create a new design file and a FigJam board respectively. So when you click on add design file, you come to this design file wherein you can design your apps, websites, prototype, add colors, typography. So we will be learning about this once we start designing. For now, let's go back to the files and explore FigJam board. So FigJam board again allows you to create a new FigJam file. This is mostly used to organize and do a lot of research processes. This is a pretty helpful tool for that. We will be learning about FigJam in the next video. Now, by default, when you open a file like this, it gets saved. Right now, I've not given any title to these files, so it just says untitled over here. So if I delete this particular file, I can access it back by going to the deleted options here. And if you want to delete this forever, you can just right click and click on delete forever and permanently delete it. So this is all that you need to know about the Figma work file space. You can further explore it, but right now let's just go and explore the Figma community. So Figma community is a place where you can access a lot of open source files created by different designers in Figma. So you have a few paid files and few free files. Let's just see this one. This is a paid file. So in order to use this in your Figma design file, you would have to pay it first and then use it. Let's explore something else now. So Figma for Education is an initiative taken by Figma to provide you with design files with some important resources. As you can see, there are many files over here, and you can take your time to understand these as well. Let's say I want to use one of these FigJam files in my design. What I have to do is I should just click on open in FigJam, and this automatically gets copied to my file. So I'm free to do whatever I want with this. I can change stuff, I can add anything that I want over here, and I can even change the name of the file. Let's say jam, click on enter, and now when I go back to the files, I'll be able to see this basics FigJam file that I just edited and changed the name to in my drafts. So this is all about the Figma basics. In the next video, we will be learning about FigJam board. Thank you.